What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect ClickFunnel to your GetResponse email list and in few clicks. So stay tuned to find out how it works. Okay, before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified each time I release a new video. Okay, GetResponse here is a third-party autoresponder where you can create, some landing pages, newsletter. You can create a form if you have a website. And talking about website, you can create a website using the website builder here. Right, and the ClickFunnels is a sales funnels builder for entrepreneur. Okay, now if you want to connect two elements, so normally we use a programming key that's called API key. So the API will allow you to create a bridge of communication between two different elements. In our case is ClickFunnels and GetResponse. So quickly let me grab the API key from GetResponse here, and you click menu, and you can easily find integration and API here. You click on that and then API. What you need to do now is to generate API key. Okay, let's create one that's called test and generate. So pro tip here, this key must be private. It's only for you and for a third party that you trust. Okay, so with that being said, you just need to copy your API key and you go back to ClickFunnels. So inside ClickFunnels, so we can see the step number 2, which is to put the key inside inside the ClickFunnels. So you go here under account settings, you click on that, and on your left side you try to locate integrations. Right, you click on integrations, and what you need to do, and it just to click on add new integration. Right, so since I already did that here, so if I try to add GetResponse, I will get a notification that will say that it's already there here. But basically you go here, you click on add new integration, and you have the choice to go to the list here or just click GetResponse, and then you click on that and you paste the key that you grab from GetResponse, and then you will have a notification that will say everything went well, something like that. So, and now next step is the end of the process is to go to your landing page on ClickFunnels. So let me grab this one. You click on that. Then now what you need to do, basically you go to edit page, then from here you go to settings. Right, okay, here I already put it here. Okay, let me remove this one, and basically what you need to do, you go to your GetResponse. Right, you click on that, and then you select the list that you want your prospect to go to. Right, so you click on the list, and let me choose this one, P transformation, and then it says connected. Right, so you click anywhere here. Right, and another tip, it's a good idea to come back here under settings and to see if we still have we have that green notification here for integration. That means we have successfully, connect our list, our GetResponse list to this landing page here, right? So what we need to do, which is very important, is to save. So after saving, we can just exit, and then now all we have to do is to test, basically. So let's click here, and then from here I will choose let me grab an email. Okay, and check it now. Okay, so now okay, so the process went good. We will go to see in my list here. So if you guys remember, okay, let's go to my list. Then I will quickly locate the list here. Okay, this is a list, and this is the email, right? This is the email, so it means we have successfully connect our list to our landing page here in ClickFunnels. So with that being said, if you have any questions regarding ClickFunnels or GetResponse, please don't hesitate, ask them in the comment below, and I will go to them. Other than that, see you in the next video.